Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day in this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And a lot of eyeballs on this one. But all in all, this was, first off, this was a gap and trap. And now the question just becomes, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? So if you're new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Monday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there. So hence a gap. And because it was, higher, a gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, the price came up here. Some poor souls were buying up around this area of the chart. And then from that point, it was basically all bears the remainder of the day. So that's what I mean by gap and trap. And then the very important level now going forward, and this is what I would definitely call a must-hold level, is this area right here at 44 cents. Why is 44 important? Well, I'm not saying this will actually happen, but if the price were to come down to 44 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, it would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Or in other words, that would imply that the price has made an awesome move upwards, only to have the price go right back to where it began, which is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that's when it's going to actually play out, but that is why that 44 cent mark, very, very important, because it's already been a pump and dump. Now the big question just becomes, is this pump and dump going to turn into, or is this gap and trap, going to turn into a pump and dump? Now, in the event this level does hold up and the price starts to bounce, key area of resistance to watch going into the foreseeable future right up here at the 49 cent mark. So 49 cents, key level of resistance on any sort of bounce, but at least in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of or resistance. It's more so about trying to consolidate out and maintain that level of support down there. So let's see what happens with it going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.